Let's talk about the federal government's plan. They're working to throw a lifeline to America's battered financial industry, and the markets were overjoyed at the news. What a rally yesterday. Early Show national correspondent Jeff Glor is at the New York Stock Exchange. Jeff, good morning.
Maggie, good morning to you. This new bailout, if it happens, could be the government's biggest ever, and it comes at the end of a frantic 4 days on Wall Street.
The largest one-day Dow rise in 6 years erased the previous day's losses, but not the whole subprime mortgage mess, and definitely not the campaign blame game. John McCain called for the firing of Securities and Exchange Commissioner Christopher Cox. Barack Obama said it's the entire administration that needs to go.
This is a bipartisan mess, and all these charges are wholly unhelpful. It's strictly campaign rhetoric.
To keep the financial system moving, the Federal Reserve and the world's big central banks have pumped hundreds of billions into money markets, not to mention bailing out companies like AIG.
No one trusts anybody anymore. They still do trust Uncle Sam.
And it looks like the feds are not done. With word of this possible resolution trust, basically letting the government buy up tons of toxic housing debt.
This bailout would be complicated and no doubt controversial, but there are growing concerns it would only solve half the problem. The other half, bad business practices that allow this extreme risk-taking to take place in the first place. And we are just getting word this morning, Maggie, that the Securities and Exchange Commission, for one part of this, took the dramatic step today of temporarily at least banning short selling of financial stocks, which is basically betting against a company's success. Maggie?
CBS's Jeff Glor at the New York Stock Exchange. Jeff, thank you.